Students, today we are going to get idea about concept of nutraceuticals from your unit, that is pharmaceutical industry. Now, what is the exact concept of nutraceutical? The definition of that substance which can be considered a food or its part which, in addition to its normal nutrition value, provides health benefits, including prevention of diseases or promotion of health. My friends, you'll have to keep in mind the things whatever going on here in case of this is that actually what his definition is going to tell or give us idea is that we know that actually substances those which we have been eating, so we eat the food just to get the nutrition, isn't it, from that one. But along with that nutrition, if food material help us to prevent the diseases or promotion of our health, then it would be a very good. Whenever such a type of a food material is there, such a type of a substances are there, that substances or fruit material are known as a nutraceuticals, isn't it? So both way the food material is going to help to the human being. First way, that is usual, that provides the nutrition to the us, and another along with that one, it becomes a disease preventer or health promoter, isn't it? Promotion of health. So all these things, that is nothing but the nutraceuticals. The knowledge about the nutritive value of various food items and their basic chemical role has been increased. Due to these values provided by the food atom adapted by various societies around the world have been appreciated. My friends, as usual, I will say to you a simple, that is a food material we are adding into our vegetables, that is the garlic, lasun. So that is going to help to keep away from the cough causing organisms, isn't it? So no doubt that provides some other nutritive substances to us. Along with that one, it helps to prevent, because prevention is better than cure in the in case of the medicines. So before happening anything, that care could be taken by us. Now most of times the peoples used to have a tea by adding, that is nothing but the dalchini, cinnamon, isn't it? Or we have to say that the citronella, gauti cha. So these things not only give a not only having a nutritive value, but they are having the medicinal value. So these two things, whenever helping to us or providing to us, and that type of a concept is known as, or that substance is known as nutraceuticals. That substance are known as a nutraceuticals. Now, nutritional expert, we know that right now, as per the European countries or persons from the European countries, in our country, in our area, I have to say that, not area, the peoples are little bit conscious about their health, isn't it? And because of this consciousness, the expert in nutritions are also right now available in our country. Which type of nutrition is to be given to which type of health having person, that is also decided by them, because that is, all these things are the scientific one. Science is there, you will have to always believe in these things. And nutritional experts in the West believes that the food which offers best value to the body. Most of times also we hear that the specific fellow is having a allergy of specific food material, isn't it? So that is to be detected, that is to be diagnosed. What problems are there with that one? So everywhere right now we have to say that things are going on like this, that experts are there. Now we know that actually it includes fish, whole wheat bread, tomato, olive oil, garlic, onion, red wine. So East Asian food scores high in a nutritional value and includes gluten, glutinous rice, soybean, curd, fibrous fruits, and tea. My friends, we know that. No doubt we have to always have the fibrous food material. Here, what happens actually, because of having fibrous food material, no doubt the fibers never provides nutritions to you, nutrients to you, to your body, but that help in the digestion. Fibers help in digestion. So medicinal point of view, the fibrous fruit, food, vegetables having, there is a lot of importance. So this is actually nothing but the nutraceutical products. Now, the prevention and treatment of major diseases for which nutraceutical have been considered are heart diseases, cancer, hypertension, and diabetes. My friends, you have to keep in mind. Already I have said to you, there is a lot of importance to the prevention is better than cure. The things may not affect our body. We have to take care of our body up to that one. So there is prevention. Now we know that actually most of the peoples are becoming a heart diseases person or cancerous person, or always comes under the hypertension, and sometimes people suffering from the diabetes like diseases. So suppose the fellow in his life, isn't it, taken a proper care in case of having a food, in case of he go for the exercise and all those things. So the people may can control all these things. Most of times that diseases never visit to their body, I will say, isn't it? So these things are there in case of nutraceutical. The other diseases are osteoporosis, arthritis, and neural tube defects, isn't it? Certain dietary habitats can have the cancer risk. My friends, already I have told you. Most of times we know that the smoking sometimes gives to the people to become a fresh. Having a more and more tea, people are going to say that we becomes a very fresh after having the tea. But these things, whenever make you happy on one side, on another side, they are going to be a danger for you and your life and your health. So certain dietary habitats, as we know that having up a sugar more and more in our diet, isn't it, is also dangerous. So dietary habitats, again, eating a food whenever we want, not a specific time has been fixed for that one, that things also affects on our body. So there is a role, we have to say that obey. Now, my friends, designing a proper food to maintain the proper health has gained the recognition and acceptance worldwide. Right now in this pandemic period, we have been hearing related with the antibody, isn't it? One point I have got from that one, suppose we talk with our friends, isn't it, childhood friends, or sometimes we make conversation with him, then what happens actually? Antibodies get generated in our body, isn't it? Keep in mind. Means habits, proper food. How much we'll have to have the veg, how much we'll have to non-veg, how many times in the week, how many times or sometimes sprouted seeds we'll have to have, isn't it? Every day. Or sometimes we'll have to take an extract of a wheat leaves, isn't it? Every day, that is a, we have to say that green blood. So what happens actually? Everybody, every individual have its his own requirement. That requirements are to be fulfilled just to keep it up his health in a proper condition. If more than requirement or less than requirement, if that fellow takes the food or eat the things, then the health of that fellow always comes in the danger. Means after few years, after few days, you will find that that fellow is suffering from a cancerous like dangerous diseases or diabetes like hazardous diseases, heart attack like, or low blood pressure, high blood pressure. So these things are there. That's why it is a necessary to design a proper food to maintain the proper health for a long time. And right now the worldwide people have become a little bit conscious about that one. That is because of the education, that is because of understanding the scientific importance of a food in the life of human being. Due to this, the food industry in many countries is modifying their products to meet consumers demand, isn't it? So there is a demand from the consumers. Previously, it was not like that one. The company was producing a specific brand and that was selling the market and that was purchased by the customers. But right now, the customer demands for the specific brand, specific type of a food in the market, and accordingly, the food industry produces or make available to the consumers in the market. In the recent years, many of the natural products from the India are gaining popularly in USA. My friends, always I used to say that we are very lucky that we are born in our India, because the habits, food material, and biodiversity in the nature, those things are going to help to us to be or survive for a long life without support of, without help of medicines, without any diseases. Because you might have heard that your grandfather, grandmother survived for more than 100 years. That we hear in our country only. These things we cannot hear in European countries, in USA. That is because the food material, whatever diet is there in our life of Indian people, is having a lot of importance. And that's why nowadays many of the natural products from the India are gaining a very nice value, economical value in the market of America and Europe. That is because of value of a nutraceuticals, value of a nutraceuticals. Now, what is the classification? What is the classification of a nutraceuticals? Depending upon various characters, depending upon various characteristics, there are, I have to say that, following are the some types of the nutraceuticals. So nutraceuticals according to the food sources, which point we have considered just to make the some three types of the nutraceutical, that is according to the food sources, isn't it? Another, that is to the action mechanism. then to their chemical nature, then to their higher content of specific. So these are the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are the 4 types of the nutraceuticals, but that classes of nutraceuticals are depending upon the according to the food sources, first one, according to the action of mechanism, second one, and according to their chemical nature, third one, and according to their higher content in specific foods. Now here we will be able to see in this table actually the nutraceuticals from the food sources, isn't it? So which plant we will have to have just to get a specific nutrition from that one. So from the plant we will get ascorbic acid, quercetin, isn't it? Capsaicinoids, then lycopene, beta carotene, catechins, curcumin, cellulose, alpha tocopherol, pectin, allicin, geranol, geraniol, L-limonene. Then from the animal EPA, DHA, choline, lecithin, ubiquinone, then sphingolipids, then microbial lactobacillus acid, streptococcus salivarius. So this is, we have to say that nutraceutical from the food material. Now nutraceutical indicating their therapeutic activities, isn't it? Therapeutic activities for your kind information. We know that actually the antioxidants are there in our body, and scavengers of the antibiotics are the ascorbic acid, beta carotene, polyphenolics, tocophenol, lycopene, ellagic acid, luteolin, isn't it? Catechins, then glutathione. So these are the antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory curcumin, quercetin, capsaicin, linoleic acid, EPA, DHA. Anti-cancer property having some substances are there that acts against the cancer. So these are the anti-cancer causing, I have to say that, the active principles or nutraceuticals substances. Now in case of bone protective, soya protein, genistein, didazione, then calcium, these are the bone protective nutraceuticals are there. Now antibacterial, as I have said, garlic, curcumin are there. Now nutraceuticals according to the chemical nature, isn't it? According to their chemical nature, the phenolic compounds, protein based some nutraceuticals are there, isoprenoids, carbohydrate derivatives are there, fatty acids and structural lipids, microbial are there, means then minerals are there. So these according to the chemical natures, these nutraceuticals are there. Which are those? Here each and every one given to us, that you will have to go through that one, read that one, think over that one. So these things will help you to be a nutraceutical producing industry can be set up by you. My friends, one example I will tell to you. Just now I have seen one of the YouTube video, isn't it? So video on that YouTube, what I have seen, Satara district, Koregaon Taluka, Revdi is name of that village, small village is there. From that village, Kulkarni, one of the Mrs. Kulkarni is there. And what she has done, she has grown a kadi patta in actually 50 gunta, 1 acre, and we have to say that 10 gunta area is there. Organically that kadi patta has been grown by them. They are making, first of all, they are cutting from the plant that kadi patta, washing thoroughly, then making powder of that one with the help of some heaters are there with them. Drying that one with the help of the heater, and then making powder with the help of a mills. and packing in a very nice package, and now she is selling that things into the America, in UK. She is having a market in UK also right now. What happens actually? Which type of actually efforts has been taken by Mrs. Kulkarni from the Revdi village and Taluka Koregaon Satara district from Maharashtra? Simple things have been done by that lady. Only she has first of all understood the importance of a that kadi patta, and that importance that lady tell to the students, means make aware to the people regarding having a kadi patta in food, importance of having a kadi patta in our food or preparation of a food or in a diet or in daily life. And because of that importance, or we have to say that nutraceutical value, I will say that substance, that product, whatever prepared by that Mrs. Kulkarni from Revdi, Koregaon Taluka, Satara district, is a got right now a importance. Lot of, we have to say that publicity and a lot of demand is there in UK also. So very simple things are there. Like that, when you have to study each and every product thoroughly, nutraceutical product, and set up the industry for that. My friends, nutraceutical according to their higher content in a specific food. So nutraceutical value name of specific food. EPA, DHA, we know that fish oils are there. Lycopene is present in the tomato. Tomato and tomato products are there. Then nutraceuticals, that is a CLA or beta-carotenes present in the carotene and pumpkin. Curcumin, that is present in the turmeric. Then catechin is present in the tea berries. Quercetin present in the citrus fruits, red grapes, and allyl sulfur compounds which are present in garlic and onion. So you'll have to keep in mind, my friends, the things you'll have to understand properly here. What are the nutraceuticals? Nutraceuticals are not only provide a nutrition to the health, but they are preventing the health or human from various diseases. My friends, with this I have to say that thank you, but before that one I will tell to you one of the example I have put forth about you. Such a type of many examples, many YouTubes are there. So most of the very, I have to say that not I will say that uneducated, but those fellow who are having a less knowledge, but they are having the daring. They are having the daring. They are ready to take the risk, isn't it? So risk taking persons are becoming a successful nowadays. Risk in the sense, you have to always think on one of the problem or think on the setting of industry, study thoroughly, visit many places, isn't it? Then visit or interact with the people, those who are very much successful in their industry, and then only take the decision to set up the industry of a nutraceutical producing industry. With this, thank you very much, my friends. Thank you. See you again in the next lecture. Okay.